but they still look happy. Hey guys, Richard here with Off the Wall, and we are doing another XP-12 video, and we're just gonna have a little fun, a short video. The passengers are loaded, kind of funny, so we're just gonna show you that real quick.
Must be stored under the seat in front of you or in an overhead. Take off your shoes and place them under the seat in front of you.
All the stuff rattling around in the cabin.
A safety card is located in the pocket of the seat in front of you. Browse it one more time.
But they still look happy.
Pay special attention to the location of the emergency exits.
Hey, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and smash the bell so you don't miss an Off the Wall video. I'm Richard. Until the next one, we'll catch you on the flip side. We're out.